Matthew Mercer is arguably the most successful professional dungeon master and well known for his role on Critical Role. But what makes him so damn good, and why does every DM want to be like him? Let's jump into it. The mastermind behind not only Critical Role, but also the all-new Legend of Vox Machina on Amazon Prime, Matt Mercer is a legend in Dungeons & Dragons circles. One of the most incredible things about Matthew Mercer is the fact that the world that he DMs is one of his own creation. He has not only homebrewed entire continents, but he's even crafted his own classes and subclasses. Anyone that has homebrewed a world knows how hard this is. Beyond that, Matt is also incredibly well versed on all things D&D. He's been playing for decades and just has the skill and experience necessary to make the living, breathing world. If he doesn't know the answer, he knows how to improvise quickly, making his world all the more visceral. Matt is also very well spoken. He boasts a great vocabulary and a skill for painting scenes and descriptions that truly draws players in. He is a gifted wordsmith, and his talent for voices only enhances his experiences. But what makes him so incredible as a DM is his commitment to his characters. He goes all in with his body, moving like the creatures he describes, sounding like them. He doesn't think about himself or how he looks, only about the experiences players are having, and his commitment to them is what makes him so amazing. Tell me what you think makes him so amazing in the comments down below. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your Displacer Beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.